Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special Mickey Mouse Lorus musical watch which has the happy birthday to you music and also written on the dial. So Lorus made a lot of similar Mickey Mouse musical watches. We have a lot on our website. For example, here on the right side we have the one with two musical songs. Here, this one, it has only one button on the left side. That means it only plays one song. There are other variations, such as this one. We can see that we have a different dial. We have the flags for the hour markers, also with one song. Here is another variation. And now let's get back to the one we have here. So once again, made by Lorus. Lorus is a Japanese watch brand owned by Seiko. So you get that premium watch quality, but at a lower price. The watch back is held in place by these 4 screws, and the watch is powered by one watch battery. Here we can see the Japan movement and the code for it. Let's play the song so that everybody can see. You can also look at the second hand, as it will stay in tune with the song. And now we can see the second hand and the minute hand going back to the right position so that the watch also keeps accurate time. We have the original watch strap, which has 2 Mickey Mouse printed on each side. The watch is in quite bad shape, but for those of you who are in search of original Mickey Mouse musical watches with the original watch strap, this is a great find. We also include a new leather watch strap in case you want to replace it and wear it daily. So if you're interested in buying this particular model or any of the others, also we have many more, please make sure to follow the link in the description below or go to vintageradar.com, where we have hundreds of vintage Disney watches, some of them with musical functions as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you ever owned such a watch, if you plan on owning one, what's the story behind it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we will be posting more videos soon. Thank you guys, and see you next time.